Slow draining sink? Let me tell you how to fix that annoying clog without calling a plumber and spending a ton of cash. First off, grab a plunger and give that sink a few good pumps. Sometimes it's just a simple blockage near the drain opening. If that doesn't do the trick, try removing the P-trap under the sink. It's that curved pipe where gunk loves to hang out. Be ready with a bucket because water's gonna spill, but cleaning that trap can clear a major clog. If you're still stuck, a drain snake is your best friend. Just feed it into the drain and twist until you feel it snag something gross, then pull it out. And here's a pro tip. Keep hair and food scraps out of the drain by using a mesh screen or strainer, so you don't deal with this mess again soon. Also, flush the drain every now and then with hot water and baking soda mixed with vinegar to keep things fresh and flowing. Avoid harsh chemical cleaners. They might mess up your pipes and are bad for the environment. Lastly, don't overload your garbage disposal if you have one. Give it breaks between uses to prevent clogs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining sinks is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which only makes clogs harder to clear. Fix it by acting fast with simple plunging or trap cleaning before it escalates. Another common issue is relying too much on chemical drain cleaners. They can damage your pipes or cause leaks, so stick to mechanical methods like plungers or snakes instead. Lastly, not using drain strainers lets hair and food bits slip down and build up over time. Grab a few inexpensive strainers and toss them in your sinks to catch debris before it becomes a problem. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually show up and do good work without crazy prices. Plus, contractors love it because it helps them find real jobs from people nearby who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.